to schedule an operation. The data acquisition functions of the EVOM Auto may be repeated at a defined time interval when multiple scans of a plate are needed. The scheduled operations are displayed on the right side of the experiment window in the current state area. The control buttons for scheduling are in the Schedule Controls area on the right side of the window. Running a scheduled measurement sequence. Press the Set Period button to set the length of time in between well plate scans. Use the diagram to set the parameter. Then press the OK button to save the changes. Press the Set Cycles button to set the number of scans to be performed according to the current sequence. Use the plus and minus buttons to increment or decrement the number of scans. Then press the Save button to save the changes. Press the Run button in the Schedule Controls area to start the first scan. The time and cycle counters become active in the current state area on the right side of the window. When a scan is finished, the data and plate number increments are saved. When the scheduled operations are dormant, the counters display in gray. When the schedule is active, the counters turn green. Stopping a running scheduled sequence. Press the Stop button in the Schedule Controls area to stop the scan. The current scan will run to completion unless you press the Stop button.